Okay, can you have a variable with any value? Any value, put any value. So, okay, number you have taken. Now, can you
Yes.
console a into 12 and also a into 12?
So you mean to say like that,
Yes, and take one more console with a into 12.
like that.
1, 2, not 2.
Okay.
Yeah, can you tell me what will be the output?
Okay. So the first one, which basically multiply with the 12 with 12, which I think we get 144,
Okay.
and the A double multiplication, I think, one, two, two. Actually, I'm not sure about that. What would be the output of this console?
Okay.
So the first one would be 144, and for the second one,
Do you have an idea what is double into? What it will do?
um, double multiplication. I'm not able to recall it right now.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Uh, can
Uh,
you create a function? Can you, yeah, just create a function.
okay,
Inside that function, write whatever, write salary. Don't write any type of it.
okay,
Salary equals to whatever you want to write, you can write it.
okay.
Don't write it as a string. Okay, and console log of it.
Below, right here.
Yes, and just call it test. Okay, so
Okay.
what will be the output?
Uh, because this is not starting with where or let, and this is inside a scope, a function scope.
Can you zoom the screen? Yeah, that's better. A little bit more, if you can. Yeah, can you tell me what will be the output?
So test salary. So I think I will get um, one. Uh, I'm pretty sure. So I think I got some kind of electrical error
Error?
because yes, because this is not starting with any kind of where and let, so this will cause error.
Okay. Can you run it?
So,
Okay.
but this is treated as a regular variable.
Yes. And okay. Now it is treated as a regular variable.
Okay.
Now, but it is a wrong practice, right?
Yes.
So, to avoid this kind of situation, we don't want wrong practices. So, what
Okay.
you will write to avoid this kind of thing?
Yeah, this should be start with
No,
where.
no, where, okay, but we should uh, not accept this kind of thing. So, to avoid this, what you will do? So, suppose if you have written this, we shouldn't be
Yes.
receiving the value. because it is
Okay.
a wrong practice. So to avoid this
Wrong
kind of
practice.
situation, what you will write, you can write many variables without any types. So you won't like, you should be receiving one kind of message. So what you will write,
Okay, so I have to avoid this.
you have to avoid this, and you should receive some message that you haven't written any like you haven't wrote any type.
Mhm.
So what you will do,
Mm.
any strict checking, just give
Okay,
me an
so
idea.
I used it.
Use strict, right?
Yes.
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 Can you write it where you will write,
Oh,
and show me the message? Okay.
yes.
Now clear this output.
Mhm.
Output.
Only up.
Yeah. And inside function, uh, remove all this thing. Just keep an empty function and write it console log of um, test dot abc. Test
Test
dot
totally.
abc. Okay. And outside you are calling it, right, at ninth
Yes.
statement. Now
Yes. Yes.
at 10th statement, write uh, test.abc is equals to 400. Then again on next line, write test.abc is equals to whatever, like 600. And then again call it test, and tell me what will be the output.
The first testing one. Mm. It's good. Now. Okay. So I think the first run I get undefined, and after that I got 600.
Okay. Okay, cool. uh, okay.
Do I need to run that?
No need to run it. It's correct one. Okay, tell me what will be the output of this. I'm sharing on chat. You can copy it down on the editor. Just tell me the output, don't run it. You can comment the
Okay.
above code.
So we are checking double equal to non-strict type.
Don't run
This
it.
would be for,
Yes.
actually it got automatically.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, so you were telling the output.
Actually, yes. The in both cases, I think we get false
Are you sure?
because here this is object. So object is basically non-primitive
Okay.
or reference type. So
Okay. So they will match the references.
okay,
Okay.
because the both reference is different. So
Okay. Cool. Okay. Can you create, just comment this, okay. Create an object inside that, write name.
name
Yes. Uh, Whatever name you can write it down. Okay. So now write another object.
inside
No,
inside this table.
outside. Let's and write triple dotty.
triple dot A.
Yes. And uh, and outside that, write z,
Like another
b
option.
dot name,
Okay.
b dot name equals to, write any other name. Okay, and write console log of a dot name. Yeah. So what will be the
Okay.
output?
Uh, First, I tell that this is just simply displaying Himanshu, but now this is shallow copy, so this would be Himanshu.
Can you comment this all? Okay. Take a new line and do, let a equals to 10, equals to 10. Let b equals to new number, new number 10 is inside, yes, 10. And take let c equals to 10, and tell me, uh, write console log of a triple equal to b, and uh, b triple equal to c.
B,
Tell me what will be the output.
A triple, it's triple, single getting new number, and it's starting with U. So I think we get false in both cases
Why?
because we're starting with new, so this will return an object
Okay, so
since we are comparing
will
number of
be object, you mean to
different.
say.
Yes.
Okay, cool, cool. Okay, okay, you can comment this all. Write a function with a function name, and inside that parenthesis write a record. Okay. Inside that function you have to write if record triple equal to, in objects, write age colon 18. Okay. Write, inside that write console log urn, uh, write 28, and yeah, you can write urn adult. In else if you write for age 38,
Same.
age 38, yes. Write, you are still an adult. And in else block, no record, you can say no record. Okay. You have created function, and write it down after function has been completed. To also write outside, just call this function, uh, with uh, object record colon mm, 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 oh,
It is in,
colon 28 inside of record age 28. Go up age 38. Write age 28 only.
age not here.
28 for second else if and 28 and write double equal to for the first statement and tell me what will be the output.
Okay, so the person age 28. The board age 28.
Yeah, so okay, you have written. Okay, so you will be able, okay, you have written record, right?
Yes.
In test. Remove that record. Just write age 18, age 20. Yes.
So I think the output would be in the else part, no record.
Why no record?
Because I haven't compared with like that because we can compare values with like directly accessing the property like record dot age is equal to 28 or not. So this I don't think this will produce this result or this result.
Okay, so because
It
we are
should
not
have
do
done more.
okay, so if you want to match the first condition, what you will write?
So I will just simply check record dot age equal to like 28.
No, you have to write in test condition, right? No need to write
Okay,
inside that. Yes, whatever condition you want to match the first condition. Now write that condition accordingly.
okay. So the age. Actually, I'm not able to answer this question.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. No worries. Uh, okay, comment this all. Now write console log of plus
Sorry.
plus plus true, and in the next line write console log of exclamation. Write any string. Tell me what will be the output.
No. So that's almost true. Lot of things. False. So I think the second one is false.
Second
I
one is
think
false.
yes.
Any reason?
And so test is string is true key value.
Okay. Okay, got it. Got
So
it. Explanation. Okay. Fine. And first one?
First one, the plus, I think it converts to integer, so this will return one.
Plus will
I'm
convert
not
into
sure.
integer.
Maybe I'm wrong.
So you are not sure,
It
you
should
mean to
return. Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but it can be one.
say. Okay, okay.
I'm not sure.
That's right, basically.
So the reason is because of
Yeah,
this
it
plus
converts
convert.
into integer.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
If you write false plus false, then it will return
Zero.
0.
Okay.
Take this on the chat and tell me what will be the output.
We have a so let's see. Okay, so let's see. I'm a little bit unclear because the B is object. So this is invalid key. A
Okay,
single key is invalid.
okay, so you mean to
So
say,
this converted into a string, like a string like object object. This is converted like something object object.
okay,
So the
so
both key
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
so the both key is object object. So this will override every time. So the A of C will go- the A of B will be six. A of B. Yes. There is not any kind of so we getting empty here and for here A B we got 600 and for B and B again empty here.
Write it down in the comment.
So A C something maybe error or empty.
Empty, okay.
This one A B is not replicable. So get 600 and the B because of B zero replicable and the order of B replicable 600. Then B B on two and two
Okay, so okay, okay. So this is how it will, the output will be. You mean to say.
Uh, I'm kind of confused on this. We are setting the A to B. If I'm not, we're getting setting the B to C. Okay, that is fine. But I'm not getting A. Uh, yes, I think this should be the output.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay. So this is how it will, the output will be.
Yes, okay. Actually,
Okay.
I'm unclear about it.
Don't now write b of b after b of c. You have written it equals to 400. Okay. Now
Um,
write down in the write down in the comment after this comment. Right? You got
okay.
it right? What I told you. Tell me in the
Can you please
comment
repeat?
output. Write in the comment output.
Okay.
Yes. Don't replace it.
B must be B must be four. No, two, no. I think 400.
400 and everything else will be fine.
No,
Right?
B must be B. No. Yes.
Okay. Firstly, comment this b of p equals to 400. Okay. Now you told me there will be empty string 600, empty string and 700. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
Two, 600.
Uh, do you getting the concept? What's happening here?
I think they must overwriting.
Yes. It's overriding. Okay.
So,
Okay. Now tell me. Just remove that comment b of p. Not you think that's the correct output you have written.
okay. No, I don't think now this is correct answer.
So what will be you want if you want to change what you will override what you will write the value for all this console.
Because, you know, actually, I'm kind of confused on this.
Still confused?
Yes,
Okay, okay, no worries. You
I
can
will take
comment
a
the
note on.
yeah, yeah. You can comment this out. Later you can check it on. Okay, okay. So you have just write a code. Okay, the first string there will be like A B C D E F, and then in second string there will be 1 2 3. Okay, and you have to do alternative, bring it to alternative A1 B2 C3
Okay,
and then DEF.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
and similarly for other string it should satisfy the
Good. This one.
condition. Right, for string you will write ABC. For first string you will write ABC. You can comment it down.
Okay.
Str equals to
Mhm.
ABC, and uh,
One.
str2. For str2 it should be like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now
Sure.
in the first condition the output should be A1. You can write down in comment for the first condition. First condition for you have to create a function. It should satisfy both the condition.
Okay. Sure. So I need to basically produce this output which satisfy both conditions.
Yeah, so it should satisfy both the condition. Himanshu, you will be able to do it, Arisha?
Mm, yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So this completes it.
Okay, show me with the second condition.
Okay. So the first condition, the
No,
output
you have
is
to
this one.
create a function, right? Uh, Like you have
Yes.
created a function and pass inside that function to
Yes.
any.
Yes.
Okay, so you can write any other string for any other string. Only for this string it is satisfying the condition, right?
Yes. So the string passed here. So I'm just uncommitting the this one because this is the parameter that is
Okay.
passing. Sure. Actually.
4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me check. Oh, yeah. Okay. Go go down. Okay. Okay.
There is some comments.
Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 Uh. Okay. Okay. So have you worked with both class as well as functional components in React?
Uh, so basically, when I starting learning React in initial days of React, maybe 15 or 16
Okay.
or before the 16. So I think there is class based.
Okay.
But then I shifted to some another techniques view, which currently required in our organization.
Okay.
But recently, from 4 months, I have again started working on React. So
Okay.
I have
So
basically worked with class
React.
based as well.
Okay. Class based as well as functional based we have worked.
Yes, but
Okay.
not in a professionally way in class based, just for making my own projects because I am starting learning
So
with class based
professionally you have worked with functional based.
functional. Yes.
Okay. So can you write a syntax for mounting, updating, unmounting in functional components? Just write down the syntax.
So in the functional component, the React introduced us the hooks. So we use the use effect, which basically do the three functions like component did mount, component did update, or component did unmount.
Okay.
So because the three features are included in this hooks, so the hooks accept and callback, and then there is a dependency array,
Okay.
and here we can work like component did mount,
Okay.
and here we can return, which basically a cleanup function, which acts as a component did unmount,
Okay.
and this dependency array is like a component did update.